Hey, welcome you all. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are going to give you unbiased review on the product that is True Moringa Shea and Moringa Balm. So if you are curious to know about this product, as people from United States are looking forward to check out the details and legitimacy of this product. So if you are one of them, just check out the details. True Moringa Shea and Moringa Balm is a natural skincare solution backed by the superfood moringa tree oil extract. It is 100% vegan, sulfate and paraben free product and safe for achieving healthy and glowing skin. The specification of this balm are: it is for skin and it is skin balm. It is available in 1.4 ounce and the price is $24. Its product are shea butter, moringa seed oil. The product comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. The pros of using True Moringa Shea and Moringa Balm are: you can get healthy glowing skin naturally, comprises the healthy blend of natural substances, nourishes, stretches, marks and scattered skin, traps the natural moisture and enhance skin hydration level, affordable price, enriched with clinically approved substances. The negative point of using True Moringa Shea and Moringa Balm are: the product is only available for online selling on official website. There is no reviews available online and there is no confirmation of the quality of the product, no information on whether it is suitable for all skin type or not. So is True Moringa Shea and Moringa Balm legit or a scam? As we are discussing, the product is backed by a renowned and famous skin care and wellness brand and it is enriched with superfood moringa tree oil. So we find no reason to consider it is a scam. The product is worth buying for the reason that it seems legit because it is enriched with natural substance and free of harmful substance. No doubt we could not find the reviews online, but hence the quality of the product is not confirmed. But it is backed by a renowned wellness and skin brand, so its trust index of 86%, which confirm a low risk when shopping from the brand. Besides, the brand has business in business since 2014, as the domain was registered back on 16 November 2014, and the other products from the brands are available for sale on different multiple e-commerce websites. But still we could not comment on the quality and performance of this product because there is no testimonial or reviews available to support the product. As we have thoroughly evaluated the product online and found no feedback, reviews or testimonial from the customer, so the product's quality is questionable. However, the product is backed by an old wellness and skincare brand, providing that product is worth buying, not a scam. But it is not a true time to comment on the quality and performance of True Moringa Shea and Moringa Balm because there are no reviews available. So we recommend our viewers to analyze the product on your own and make a wise decision for your shopping. And please do share your experience of using this product. We love to hear from you.